Hey there guys, what's up? And I am Mitch again from Momandkidzstyle, and today I'm gonna do a product test for this one. This is a smart power strip that you can connect on your Alexa. So they sent this to me and I have no chance last time to try it, and I wanted to share this video to you all. If you are interested to buy a smart plug-in, smart power strip like this, you might want to try this one, and I'm going to put the link in my description box. You can find it at Amazon. So it works on Alexa and Google. So obviously I don't have any Alexa, so I'm going to try this one. Same thing what I did to the smart plugins Wi-Fi. So I connected it in through my phone. So now we'll see if this will work too. So as you can see, this is a 3 outlet. So over here, and it has a USB port. But before we get started, I just wanted to invite you all to please subscribe in my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please considering subscribing. I'm Mitch and I'm stay-at-home mom. I'm doing a product reviews regarding about babies and mom and home essentials. So yes, and I would love you to be here. And if you want to join in my latest giveaway and you haven't seen my review yet for my baby monitor, you are welcome to watch it and join in my giveaways. So that's the reason why me stay-at-home mom can able to work is because of my baby monitor. This baby monitor is a really big help for me, especially to those mom that staying at home and they want to start working. I recommend to get a baby monitor. If you get a baby monitor, make sure it's a great one and it has no delay, like same thing with me here. This is the reason why I got able to work, because here in my desk, while I'm working on stuff online, I have him on here, so which I can see. And also this one, which is my home security, which is my husband get able to see us overseas. So let's go proceed and let's go see what we'll expect when we go order this power strip. And by the way, you can get this one at Amazon, and this is from the company Sale Day. So thank you so much for sending me this, and let's go try it. So over here is just a note and some other information for the products and service. So we get a 2 guide here. So the other one is for Alexa and Google Home, and the other one is to connect with your device. So let's go try this out. So over here it says all the information, specification, the power supply and everything, and some other safety information. So it's already plugged in, guys, and as you all can see, it's blinking over there. So what we're going to do, so I already have my smart life over here in my phone. So I will just go there and I will go to the electrical outlet and confirm, and then I will put my Wi-Fi in here. Okay, so now it's successfully added. So I name it as office table, so at least I know, because I also have one upstairs. So you can see here it's switch 1, switch 2 and switch 3, and the USB here. So let's go see on the switch 2. So there you go, it's working. So it also has a timer. So now let's go try the USB, and my daughter is there to try it. We'll go into charge her iPad. So let's go try. So show them here. So yes, it's charging, working properly. So over here you can name it. Press the edit and name it as my table lamp. And then over here is the home security. And then the switch tree is available, and of course the USB is for all our charger. So over here is you can find the device sharing and some other third party that can work to Alexa and Google Home. Schedule it, let's say add schedule. Please turn on office table. There you go. It works properly. And see, there you go. Tell them. If you all wanted to try this one, I will going to put the link in the description box. You can get it at Amazon for $27, I think, or $22. I don't know. But this is a power strip, so you can connect this into your Alexa or Google Home. And even you don't have that, because me, I don't have any Alexa, but it still works properly fine to me because I'm using my device. Like what I said, you can download the Smart Life app and you can work it from there. I'm going to enjoy this because sometimes, you know, like us, mom, I'm lazy, especially if I'm here sitting down or breastfeeding my babies, or sometimes I'm watching movie and I need to turn off the light over there. It's easy access because it's on your phone. And the good thing about that one, I can organize it because sometimes when we have a plugs and then we don't know which one is for, that one is a smart idea also that I can name each switch. So you wanna say hi to them? Wanna say hi to them? Oh yes. So Ricky been sick lately. He was running a fever, but now he's already okay. We took him to the doctor and that he's already better now. Are you okay now, baby? Tell them. You talk to them. Hmm? You say hi. You say hi. So thank you so much, Silday Company, for sending us this, and I know I'm going to enjoy this one. If you all wanted to try this, I'm going to put the link in my description box. And look at him, he's so serious. And there you go, he's so serious. Look at this one, he's so serious. So there you go, guys. That's all for today, and we will see you in our next one. And if you want to join in our giveaways, you all are welcome to join. We still have that ongoing, open for everyone. And on June 12, we're going to announce the winner. And so this is my laundry is already calling me, so we'll go talk to you all guys soon. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye-bye.